Hey there, folks. Today, I'm diving into the CR2032 remote key FOB OEM battery replacement kit for Buick Enclave Encore Envision LaCrosse Regal Smart Key by Remote Overstock. Now, if you're tired of shelling out cash for service appointments just to replace your keyless entry remote fob battery, then this kit might just be your new best friend. Let's talk about what you get. This bundle includes not one, but two CR2032 batteries, ensuring you've got a spare on hand for the future. But that's not all. They've also thrown in a handy opening pry tool, making the battery replacement process a breeze. No more scratching or damaging your remote case in the process. Plus, with a step-by-step installation video included, even the most novice DIYer can tackle this task with confidence. What I really appreciate about this kit is its compatibility. It's designed to work seamlessly with all 2016 to 2020 smart key remote fobs for Buick vehicles. So, whether you've got a 3-button, 4-button, 5-button, or 6-button fob, Remote Overstock has you covered. Now, it's important to note that this kit is for battery replacement only. You won't be getting a new keyless entry remote fob with this purchase. But if your fob is still in good working condition and just needs a battery swap, then this kit is exactly what you need to avoid those costly service appointments. Overall, I'm impressed with the quality and convenience of the CR2032 remote key FOB OEM battery replacement kit. It's a simple solution to a common problem, and for that, I give it 2 thumbs up. So, if you're ready to take control of your key fob maintenance and save some cash in the process, give this kit a try. You won't be disappointed. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.